Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Nerd. Today let's discuss everything about Royal Enfield Meteor. So where it comes from and where it's going. For now, there is no ride or review video of this bike on YouTube due to the coronavirus outbreak. Therefore, we have all the spy shots compiled for you. So please subscribe for more, as Meteor is a replacement to the long running Royal Enfield Thunderbird, which got many updates year on year till now, as they have discontinued the Thunderbird 350X and 500X, which were launched recently 2 years back, and now they have been discontinued and Meteor is replacing it. So the machine that Meteor is replacing is almost identical in looks and engine. Engine is totally same what Thunderbird had. Only difference is it is BS6 compliant. I don't know why some websites are still saying that it is gonna be 600cc, but it doesn't make sense. I believe it is to be launched only in 350. I myself own a Thunderbird 350X, which I bought last year in June. I love the form factor of Thunderbird 350. So as this is the newest 350 coming from Royal Enfield, I am really very excited about this. So let's dig into what has changed in the Meteor. The skeleton of the bike seems same to me, though there is a new tail lamp and lowered indicators in the back, which gives it a more classic look. Silencer of the bike has been changed, and there is a new cluster given, instrument cluster, which is very different from what we had in Thunderbird, but good thing is it is partly analog and partly digital. I believe it to have speedo and tacho in analog and rest in digital. One great thing about this instrument cluster will be that it also had in Thunderbird 350X. The feature is that it gives you input when there is a service due on your bike. It automatically gives a pop-up that your service is being due. So I believe that feature is gonna be there in the Meteor 2. There is no mobile connectivity given to the bike, which is sad but fine. Another major difference is the headlight. The Thunderbird 350X had a projector headlamp, and this has a halogen light, normal, no LED, nothing. I don't know why they downgraded it, but this is sad. Another change to Meteor is the badging on the tank. If you see, Thunderbird had a metal badging, that too Royal Enfield written in a straight line, but Meteor is getting a sticker badging, which is again a downgrade. I don't know why, but it doesn't looks more tactile to me. One more thing has been changed. If you see closely, the cap on the tank from where we put the petrol is slightly moved to the center, as Royal Enfield Thunderbird had on the top right. Now on Meteor it is seen in the middle. Another important change is the split seat. The seats foam and threading is very similar to what Thunderbird had, the 350X, and the Meteor has very similar seats, but the Meteor is getting a split seat. I think it is a very good thing and it's a plus for the bike. Rest everything gonna be carried from the Thunderbird, like tubeless tires, then dual channel ABS. That's all will be there, and the pricing of the bike is expected to be somewhere around 1,75,000, which is a bit higher than what Thunderbird 350X was. It was around 165, I believe, and this Meteor is gonna be 1.75 lakh actually. So that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Please do subscribe to the channel and share the video if you can, please. Thank you.